Hello, my amazing people. If you know, say you never subscribe to this channel, please, my wonderful people, no fail to subscribe. Support your girl by subscribing. Please, that una one subscriber go a long way for me. It go help me a lot. Please, my amazing people, not fail to subscribe. Do me that favor by hitting the subscribe button and also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, una go fit see the video. God bless you. Please not fail to share this our channel. Share to your friends. Tell your friend to subscribe. Tell your friend to support somebody. God bless you. Tell your friend to support somebody so as somebody's mom, somebody's sugar mommy to be. Hey! Thank you, my amazing people. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. Today, who we want to talk about, wetin we dey talk today, wetin we hold for hand as topic today. My people, we still dey on Mrs. Iyobosa and Enogie matter. No be small thing o, my people. Everywhere dey hot as we dey talk so for social media. No be small video Mrs. Iyobosa come do yesterday o after our video. So we come banners relax watch her video. Normally every Saturday she dey come out for suburban gang. Yesterday she come out with some bundles of money and she come talk one word say if your husband no dey work, kick him out. And if you know say you be lazy man, no talk while my husband is talking. Because my husband is a working class man. And the husband can say, can your wife ever be like my wife? Hey, my people. May no be say na me use my mouth dey tell now. I go play the video, the short video. Mona listen how she take talk and say, if your husband no dey work, send am go outside. Pursue am, e go get sense. Because if you put am under your roof, you dey give am food, e no go ever get sense to work. My people. Me I play am for una hear from her mouth.
Kick am out, kick am out. Yeah, that's the latest. Kick am out. No food for lazy man. You understand so? If the man not ready to change, kick am out. Kick the man out. Make the man go work, make go sweat. Make they let the man they deal on bundles. Kick the man out. Kick am out. No food for lazy man. Don't talk when my working class husband is talking. Kick him out, man, nigga, yo. You know what I mean? This one will be sad, yeah. So this one not be bone straight, or this one not be you might be at least. It's still worst, cause it cost the way you might have the cost. Only tell the coming. Honey, I just a feel on top of the world. It be like say wetin I wear just now. I never introduce and finish. This wristwatch I'm wearing is from Calvin Klein. See, I'm a Zuma. Calvin Klein. Not be Klein Calvin. Calvin Klein original. This ring will be say dey my hand so like 22 karat golden ring. This bead will be say I wear so it's out of this world, okay? You know, see before you see this bead, by you have to enter inside river, go bring and come out. That is what they call mommy water. You know what I mean? Honey, then we start to count the money so that we'll go back. Go do what we know how to do best. Today, na Saturday, or back not they open. Money will be said that they spread daughters since last week Saturday. Today make it exactly 1 week. The money still there with us for us. Okay, so I don't come back. So I was just checking some kind of things. You know, understand so what I want to try talk. I can't fight for all the women because my DMs don't full. Normally say dey well. She not dey think any other thing. You understand? So she not dey come meet other woman. You understand? So you go call the beg. You understand? So you go call the beg for friendship. I dey talk to all the lazy men. I'm not talking to all the lazy. As far as you know that you are lazy, come out. If you don't be say shoot bird, but now they call Iwa. And before you come out for Iwa, fair ask people. You see here, you don't take. Me, I know they carry. I know they like my physical. If you get my con, job meet for somewhere. No. Me they tell you this is Iwa. That is Iyobosa. You understand? So me, I don't get any single to why they reason. You understand? Which I dey reason every day. That is money day. Money, not be say by to the make math.
They get money.
If you know my family right from the one Sokoto Gorishi Batan, you don't take. You understand? Who dream all these Facebook something said never would they exist. When I don't shine my wife bundles. Since all those times of bundles of money come reach now, you don't have much, don't they? So me and you don't be for life, generation to come. They root your family, put them for inside tree, fit out of the common generation to come. You can't step, you can't be like Iwa
At all.
You can never be
Never.
like Iwa. They
Never.
don't know that man well.
Never.
You understand? So you don't fit.
They get money.
You don't take. You see this angel. So you don't take.
They walk.
You come for years. Make
They
you see this
walk.
angel. Now me, Iwa.
Show me your face.
Now me they call Iwa. Now me they do one. If you don't say easy, now woman there with you for how many years? Shaka be easy
This is what
now.
they call real man. You man go there with the man. The man, the woman go there glow. You go there get joy.
This is as I dey raise shoulder.
You go there get joy.
Raise shoulder. If you check how your children dey live, how your wife dey live, check
Hello.
have you ever seen my wife come out on media to beg and if you
Not
try
when I have my hard working husband. My Jakuta husband. You get straight to work.
Get straight.
My husband not they beat me because of child benefit. So they I come pursue my husband come up for us. God forbid, but I never pursue my husband come up for us one day because of child benefit.
Don't go there. Don't risk it. Not just go there. You understand? So now Mr. Iyobosa the top from Genesis. You understand? So you know my new
Now
chapter.
man where they work. Now woman they need that for.
You dey come from
Enogie, these people finish you. They finish you. Abeg, make you try go work, my brother. I know say you dey work. Some people don't understand. Say your Facebook when you dey do now work but you still try to dey let them know say you dey work. Still dey let am dey show for your woman body. And not be to come dey challenge person when be pass person. Let am dey show for your woman body. My people, una no mind me o. Na wetin commenters write dey talk before I come read down for now. Una know our reading now. Say we dey read down one. So my amazing people, una hear am. All the old women, if your husband not dey work and he not dey support you for anything, kick him out. See talk. If they kick am out, who go do the jiggy for them again? And I know say most of our women not fit stay for a week, say they not do the do pro. Then they like to do the do pro. So if they can't kick the man out, who go do the do pro for them? Una know na most of our people wetin make dem dey keep man wey be liability for house na because who go clean their engine. If dem pursue am now, dem come still go dey look for another person wey wan clean engine for them. So Mrs. Iyobosa, you are lucky to have a working class husband. I like your advice, not because not be anything na advice. So if man no dey work, motivate that man so that he go fit work, he go go out to work like as a man. Because here for Europe, Europe don spoil many things. For Nigeria, men dey work, men dey do their work. Who wan take care of family if man no work? Nowadays now abroad, because of abroad, woman will go do igbeagia, woman will do this one, woman will do this one, woman will e go born, e go dey born because child benefits. Most of our men no wan work again. They put their eyes for that child benefits. E dey very bad. E dey very bad. Wetin she talk, they not call anybody name, but we as aproko people, when we be, we know who they talk to. So my wonderful people, let's go to the comment section. Mo see wetin our people talk for the comment section. Mo na not mind my reading o. I dey read am small small. Na so I sabi and reach. Okay, my amazing people. So our first commenter can say, I do not just like or love people because we talk on phone. I can love someone we do not even talk. That is exactly what I feel for those two couple. Never you marry to a lazy man or lazy man or lazy man. You will suffer for very long time. You will suffer for very long time looking like a old woman till infinity. Do not forget to screenshot. Oh, sakwere, no be small. So our next commenter can say, this man, you are very funny. May God protect your home in Jesus' name. Amen. And our next commenter can say, generation of wahala. And our next commenter can say, my brother, no be me talk am o. Woman no be person friend o. Like seriously, how? I no understand this commenter. Woman no be person friend as e wife no be friend. Anyway, let's take our next comment. My people, as una know na say as we dey edit, we dey put screenshot the, as in the comment paste for our screen so that una will know wetin we dey talk. And our next commenter can say, see those one. He can say, how you no go work when you keep belle like native pot. He say, which woman go like you? Oga, we the fine boy, we he said we maltreat ourselves to allow women take care of us. By the time you hit the gene house, nobody go talk say that strength when you dey waste for gene be woman go pay and back. I no understand this comment. My people, wetin I go do, I will put am on and see the comment by myself. And our next commenter, so you know what work. Okay, let me, because the little one wey I understand for this comment when this person talk say, una wey be fine boy, una no dey work. Okay, na ugly boys na dey work. Me, I no see any fine for I no wan call anybody name. I no see any fine for there. I been a cream fine, or I been a nose when black. Now it can be the fine boys. Now go they use fine boys, they collect women money, they go. Our women more receive sense. So any woman will not get sense now for waiting with the see for Facebook, you know, say that woman no will ever get sense for her life again. Any woman will not get sense. You go say because one guy fine finish, e no work, you they carry your money, they give her just because you and now they do, and I enjoy, you enjoy. Now they do proper, you they carry your money, they give her. When you get family, when you go take care of. I dey tell now, some people say I be stingy person because my hand I say it be can. I get people to help with the little one where I get. Not be one guy when they do fine boy. I can't count the little thing where they see. I will carry give am. More now they use una sense. We when be women when they abroad. Now we they do that thing. We they pack our money. We they give man. man wey not ready for life. If you help man wey ready for life, problem not dey o. No be the one wey dey do fine boy, no be only you dey friend. You go carry this one, you go carry this one, you go carry this one. They say woman dey help man. Yes, 100% sure say woman e dey help man. But before you help any man, you make sure say na man wey ready for life, wey wan plan life with you. No be to dey carry your money dey give one man wey no. Oh, my women, abeg mo not to dey fuck up again. We women, we too dey fuck up. Now we make boys, now we make men dey use us like say tomorrow no dey. See comment now when this person come put for here. Because of we women wey dey fine boy. Our next commenter come say, Oga, I don ask woman. Oga, I don ask women. They say make you fight for only yourself. Oh, like seriously? And now, okay, wetin make am say they say make he fight for only himself? Because the man say he come out to fight for the women. And our next commenter can say, you people are fooling yourself now. Tomorrow you want people to pray for your marriage. Useless set of people. And our next commenter can say, mumu husband. Which one can be mumu husband? Now so our people be, if they see any man wey loyal to his wife, na mumu. That's how our people be. If they treat his wife anyhow now, they go still judge am. Now na mumu husband. Be most mumu husband, lazy man who refuse to work is mumu husband. Okay. And our next commenter can say, fake life everywhere. My good people in the house, be careful in your home. That is fake money. Like seriously, they say na fake money. Oh, BBC don't come talk say na fake money. Oh, my people. And our next commenter can say, social media, fake love and marriage fooling people. See the way the man look local. See how he is eating. See how he's eating. I think they eat. He won't make the phone posh. If the phone posh now still come and judge am. So he eat anyhow now go still talk. So our next commenter can say, social media show off outside social media. You people are something else, cat and rat. The one of Korah has taught a big lesson, showing people that are the best and happy couples, but inside house they are worst enemy. People should stop showing off. Be what are inside your house. Una too much. If it done for you, no me say e no go done for others. Now you dey feed down when not dey work. Very local man. I come in peace. I no get fans be all those ones. So my people, thank you, my amazing people. God bless you, my wonderful people, for una lovely support. Please, my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel to support me, please subscribe on your notification bell, in case whenever I drop any video, una will receive my videos gang. God bless you for una love. Please not fail to share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Share us. Share to Facebook, WhatsApp. Share to your friends. Tell them to subscribe for this girl. Now na girl. Somebody's mom, aka somebody's mom, aka somebody's side chick, aka Somebody's sugar mommy. AKA wife to be. Thank you, my amazing people. Stay blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.